Ladies and gentlemen, unknown user again. So I've just bought this. As you may be aware, Maplin, the electronics store in the UK, is closing down. We've gone into administration, unfortunately, but there we are. So I've just treated myself, and I've been after pro quality USB microphone for quite some time, mainly to do voiceovers on my YouTube videos, and so I managed to obtain this, and it is the Yeti Blue. What's it say? Ultimate USB microphone for professional recording. Turn the box round and there's all sorts of bits of information. Turn the box round again and we can see it's got mic gain control. It's got 4 polar pattern selector for stereo, cardioid, omni and bidirectional. On the front of the mic it's got a mute button and a master volume. Now the master volume only works if you have headphones excuse me, headphones plugged into the mini jack on the bottom of the Yeti microphone, of which I don't use that function, so it's not really of any use to me, that one. But anyway, so it's quite a decent mic actually. It's very heavy. Comes on its own bass stand and it swivels round. Actually, what I'm going to do now, because the audio you're hearing now is actually being recorded on the Sony camcorder, so I'm going to stop this now and I'm going to hook up the Yeti Blue microphone, and the audio you'll hear henceforth in this video is coming directly off the Yeti in what mode have I got it set in? I can't bloody remember now. In cardioid, I think I've got it set in. Is that how you pronounce that? Cardioid? Something like that. Anyway, so that's the setting that I'm using. So, like I say, next audio you'll hear is coming directly from the Yeti USB microphone. Right, so here we are. This is audio now coming directly via the Yeti Blue microphone, which, as you can see, I'm now tilting down and then back up again. The red light you see in the centre, that's the mute button. So when the red light's solid, as it is at the moment, the microphone is operational. Sorry, you wouldn't be able to hear that. The red light flashes and that means the microphone is actually muted. So I've just realised you couldn't hear that because I'd muted it, so I'll turn it back on. This volume control, as I say, that's for if you're using headphones. There's a headphone jack around about here. You can't see that, can you? Around about here, where my finger is. So you can plug a set of headphones into that and then pipe the stuff out through the mic into the headphones. And like I say, I really have no need for that facility, so you know, no use to me whatsoever, but it's there if needed. So I've done a few test recordings with this mic, this Yeti mic, and it seems to be pretty good. I've only ever tried it in the cardioid mode, I must admit, but like I say, I just want to use it for voiceovers, and it was actually the RRP, recommended retail price, was around about the £120 mark. But given that Maplin are closing down, going out of business, they had a bit of a deal on, and I actually paid, I think it was about £83 for it, something like that. So it's a fair reduction in price for a brand new pro quality USB microphone, I guess. So there we are, ladies and gentlemen. Little quick review and test of the Yeti Blue Pro USB microphone. So thanks for watching. Take care. Excuse me. This frog in my throat. So thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.